Hi guys, my name is Mary Benham, or Hard Left Yogi. I'm here with your little quick tutorial. These things are something to practice for several classes. I tend to do a month of focus, whatever I'm focusing on, whether it's hip rotation or meditation, whatever the trick or technique that I'm doing in my practice. This one will help you jump better, jump to the top of your mat and jump back. What I see when I see a lot of people jumping forward and back is a very clunky jump and land. The reason that is because you're telling your brain to jump back on the mat or to jump to your hands. It's not something that you've normally told your brain to do, but your brain knows how to jump over things. And so if you can see on my mat, I have just the sandbag. A lot of people use a towel or a blanket just so that they don't get tripped up too much. But notice it's just about mid of my mat. It's not very wide. It's just enough to give me a focal point. So when I come over to it, when you're beginning to learn to jump back, you want to make sure that your hands are completely flat. No teacup, no thing from Adam's family, right? We want flat hands, preferably back by your feet if you have super short legs like me, right? And so now I see that bag. As I jump back, my hands will automatically press into the floor a little better, right? So let's see that again without me talking and actually breathing. Right? For new students, it gives you more ease. So talking about jumping to the top of the mat, which ultimately becomes, pikes to handstands and all those great fun things. You're gonna start from a down dog, look at whatever you're jumping over, and then look just past it because that's where you wanna land. And then just think about jumping over it. You'll notice how much slower you'll jump and land. I find that people put too much power in their jump backs and their jump forwards, and then that's just flinging them around the mat. If you get in your mind that you're only jumping over a little bit of something, you'll move much slower with more control. That'll turn into your pikes, your handstands, and all those fun chaturanga things, right? So enjoy, guys. Throw something on the mat and play. See you later.